Richard, PhilHealth and Independent. Okay, let's isa-isa natin. PhilHealth has a 500 billion reserve. And the cost of to provide their services in 1 year is less than 100 billion. So their budget actually for expenditure is in the 260 billion, is in 100 and plus billion. So meron pa ring reserve. That's why I know na naaabala ang tao because bakit natin binawasan? Dahil ang katotohanan diyan ay kung tignan ninyo, kaya binawi ng Department of Finance yung ilang reserve na naman doon na naiwan dahil hindi nagamit yun ng ilang taon. In other words, the PhilHealth has sufficient budget to do all of the things that they want to do. So let's go back the last 2 years. Kung titignan ninyo, ang services na binibigay, ang mga treatment na binabayaran ngayon ng PhilHealth ay nag-expand na ng husto. We are taking care of many more conditions, many more. We have more dialysis patients. We are attending to more people. That's from the budget of 2023 and 2024. So patuloy, pataas ng pataas, pati yung pagbayad. Ang payments ngayon natin for cancer, for the other diseases, hundreds of percent ang increase doon sa dati. In other words, kaya ng PhilHealth ang bayaran niya. And the reason why is that we do not want to subsidize it is because it is the subsidy with lang doon sa bank account ng PhilHealth, hindi magagamit. Marami tayong paggagamitan noon. So that's a simple